Welcome to STUK Academy. My name is Brette and I am the founder of STUK Designs. This is the F.L.Y Girl program, and F.L.Y stands for First Love Yourself. In this program, you will learn how to draw a face. Each course is very detailed, and we start with the eyes, the nose, the mouth, and then we get into the entire structure of the face. But by the end of this course, you will learn how to draw your own STUK girl. Yes. I like her. Let's dive in. Okay, so first you're going to need some kind of reference photo, or like I'm using my iPad and using it as a reference photo. Then of course a pencil, I like mechanical, and an eraser. I also like retractable because it, can be reused. And I love kneaded erasers because they erase very clean and smoothly. And then this is a blending tool, if that's your jam. And then, of course, a ruler will help you draw everything straight in perspective and on the right axis. All right, let's go. All right, so let's learn how to draw the mouth. So we're going to, yet again, start with axis lines. So we're going to do a vertical and then a horizontal axis line for the mouth to sit upon. Then when you have your axis lines, and you want to draw them pretty loosely and pretty lightly, so if you need to go in and erase a little bit to lighten them, that is okay. That is great. And so to begin the mouth, first off, we're going to start with shapes. And we're going to draw circles, 4 circles in each corner of these axis lines. And these circles should be, pretty equal sizes, 2 circles above the line, 2 circles below. And then we're going to start with this kind of mountain shape, outlining the circles above and below the axis line. And, you're going to trace your reference photo to really get the shape of these. You just like go over the line, move your hand how the lines feel like they're moving. But yeah, they're kind of like mountain shapes, just outlining the above and below circles. And again, you just want to make these very light, very loose. So I think I did this a little too far away, so I'm going to do another version a bit more up close for you guys so you can get, a real feel for how the mouth flows and moves. So let's do axis lines again. And again, you're going to practice this over and over. Like that's the only way to really, master drawing techniques. You just have to do it over and over like it's a muscle. And so we're going to, again, do 4 circles above the axis line and below the axis line. And, they don't have to be perfect. And then we're going to do one mountain shape and another mountain shape above the axis line. And, mine are a bit dark, but, that's okay. We can always go in and lighten. And then in the middle of the mouth, we're going to do another little mountain shape that can almost mirror the mountain shape above. And then we're going to do another mountain shape outlining the 2 circles below the axis line. And this is like a loose, very simple way to start learning how to draw the mouth, the lips. But, essentially the lips and the mouth are a lot of shading. It's a lot of shading. So you do still want to keep your lines light and airy. And these are breathing lines. That's what we call them in art. And that's when you push and pull with the lines. Like a part of the line can be dark, a part of the line can be light. But when you push and pull and breathe with the lines, it creates a different feel of movement. So in between the mouth, these lines should be a bit darker, a bit heavier, because that's where they come together. And there you have it, your first mouth. We would super appreciate it if you guys would like, comment, and subscribe. And please, if you feel so called to, text to donate, or you can donate online at stukdesigns.org/give. And feel free to follow us at STUK Designs on all social media platforms. Have a great morning, afternoon, or night, depending on where in the world you are. We love you so much. Thank you for watching.